Hi, this is Mind Molester. I just received this challenge log from Turtle Monkey. This will be my first. Came with a key. Got 2 extra tension wrenches. I hope this is a gift, but I'm keeping it anyway, even if it's not. Alright, I'm going to try and attempt this. Excuse me while I adjust the camera. This is... how am I going to do this? Alright. Okay. Yeah, I like clamping it like that. Don't ask me why, I just like it like that. I'm not very good at narrating, so mind you, might be a silent video. Got a bit of flu. I have the flu. What is that? Nothing in the front. What's this? Okay, nothing there. Nothing there. Oh, he wasn't kidding when it was crunchy. Right, open. Whew. Right. Shit, did I get it out of frame? Never mind. Okay, let's see. Let's open. Shim, shim, shim. Shim at the top. That's how it's supposed to be done. Okay. Follower. This is small, medium. Right. Okay. 5 pin. Ooh, trap. So if I were to pick this in reverse, I don't know, is that how it works? Anyway. Alright. I've got no pinning trick, that's number 2. Standard. Standard. Oh! Okay. All standard, but all 5 are threaded. Okay. Remove shim. Tweezers, 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 tweezers. Okay. Ooh. Number 1. Standard. Number 2. Spool. Okay. I'm gonna just do this way. 3. Spool. 4. Standard. 5. Spool. Okay. Excuse me. Wow. Okay. So he has. I'm gonna remove all the springs with my sharp tweezers. Number 1. Oh, come on. I'm making a video here. I have no pinning tray, so excuse me. Okay. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3. Okay, I'm going to go from the back. Number 5. And okay, let's see what he has in here. Oh, light too bright, I can't see shit. Okay, no thread here. Spring. Excuse me, not feeling that well. So. Okay. So it's standard. At all key pins are standard. Shit, I'm sucking. Excuse me. Alright. Right. Alright, let's. Shit, it's not focusing. Anyway, I'm gonna remove the key first. Ooh, homemade key. At least I think it's homemade. It is. Yep. I think I learned something. Never try to do things through the camera. Look over it. Right, so key pin standard. Standard spool, standard spool, threaded. Shit, it's not focusing in. Nope, doesn't work that way. I gotta learn how to record on camera. Let's see, I'm supposed to do so. Okay. Something black, I guess. Does it work that way? No? How is it supposed to? Shit. If I turn off the light. Nope. Not focusing. How's that? Alright. I promise in the future, because this is I love this hobby. I'm gonna get better camera. I got this from my company. So anyway, this is very interesting. Maybe if I just shine light through. Yeah. This has got to be the worst video you guys ever see. Anyway, so how am I supposed to? Okay, if I shine it like that. Okay. There we are. The plug is threaded nice and sharp. Okay, the key pins are all standard. Driver standard, spool driver. Did I just repeat myself? Anywho, thank you, Turtle Monkey. Yours. Right, I'm gonna. I don't know what to do next. Do I modify this and send it out to somebody else, or do I keep it original and pass it along? I don't know what the rules are. I'm new to this, so do share. Thank you, Turtle Monkey, again. I hope you receive mine soon. I'm gonna put this back together. I'm gonna keep the tension wrench. I assume it's a gift for me. I'm assuming, but hey, I like it. Right, thank you again. Bye.